everyone, so this is Mrityunjay, chemistry faculty in Resonance Hyderabad, and yesterday NEET 2024 results came. So here I am with one of my students who have scored. So tell me, first introduce yourself and tell me the scores.
My name is Nyapika and I'm scoring 665 out of 720.
So how was the paper level? Can you categorize the paper easy, tough, moderate? How was the paper?
Paper level was moderate to tough. Right.
So in these 2 years of preparation, how was the resonance study material? How was the paper equivalence level to resonance study material?
As we know, most of the questions are from NCERT. So some lines will be tough in NCERT, right? So those lines have been modified in resonance study material. It was easy for us actually.
Okay, and sometimes it has been also seen that most of the students who are preparing for NEET 2025 or NEET 2026, they must be finding out how many times of self-study do you devote for your NEET journey.
More effectiveness is required than spending more hours. Effective working hours are required. So 10 to 12 hours is enough.
Okay. And also in this 2 year of preparation, so many faculties you have been corrected that thoroughly in 11th and 12th. So how was your satisfaction level to the faculty of the Resonance Hyderabad?
They are reaching our level. Whatever the doubts we ask, they are correcting us and they are helping us a lot.
Continuing to the same question, I want to know what was the doubt portal, how you have asked your doubts, because lots of doubts have been, so are they resolved in positive manner, are they influencing or are they motivating you to ask further doubts? What was the case?
We can have separate doubt session for us in the afternoon.
Okay.
Subject wise.
This time most of the questions that I also have analyzed, so most of the questions were directly coming from NCERT. So some NCERT workshop was also organized. So how it has helped you to crack NEET 2024 with flying colors?
They made us create questions from the NCERT so that we'll be perfect with NCERT lining.
So indefinitely NEET 2024 is a big exam, and we all know that testing methodology is very popular and very tested method. So how was the mock test series, how was the test series, ACT, MCT, all those tests that you have given through your 2 year of preparation? So what was the level of that paper and NEET level paper? How was the thing?
Initially papers used to be tough, but as we come near the exam, the papers was quite easy.
Okay. So and also sometimes it nots the faculty come from the front, but back end also support is needed. So how as a Resonance whole management, apart from the academics, how they help you?
They even conducted motivation sessions. They provided guidance for us and helped us a lot.
One question from my side, that most of the students who are so much of competition, tough competition is there, and you scored such a great score. So what advice do you want to give to your juniors who are going to give the exam next year?
Stick to NCERT.
NCERT. And the level of paper would be what?
I think it would be easy to moderate.
Okay. And the last question from audience perspective, those who are going to prepare for NEET 2025-26, one suggestion apart from NCERT, one suggestion in accordance with study manners, what should they incorporate in themselves?
Confidence.
Confidence is the key.
And even they should stick to planners. So they should depend on resonance and stick to planners.
Okay. One more question to all of those students who are looking for a long-term plan, as Resonance is also providing NEET 2025. So what you want to say to them?
Long-term course is far better in Resonance actually. Materials are also good and mock tests are also good.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you. And what is your dream college? Because this time the result was unexpected somewhat. So which college are you planning to go?
Any top government college.
Okay. Thank you for your time. Thank you.